how do we actually install the pixel in our website. Now obviously different websites will have different procedures, but I'm going to talk about at least four common uh, websites that people use, generally coaches and consultants use. So I'm going to talk about TagMango as some as a service where you have created a landing page. I'm going to talk about Zenler. Okay, new Zenler. If you're using Zenler LMS where you are creating your landing page, I'm going to talk about that. I'll talk about InstaMojo payment platform, and I'm also going to talk about Razorpay payment platform. Okay, so watch carefully and trust me, it is very easy. You just have to follow the steps exactly shown in this video. Okay. By the way, so far so good. Type SFSG. Okay, sounds interesting. Let's see how easy it is. Okay, people have lot of fear in completing this step, the pixels. Okay, so I want to show you how easy it can be. Okay, so the first step is to get the pixel ID or the pixel code. So how do we do that? You have to log in. The first step is you have to log into Meta Business Suite. Okay, you will let me share my screen, by the way. So when you come here, okay, I think you're able to see my screen. Yes, all of you can see. Okay, so you just have to log into your business.facebook.com, not facebook.com, business.facebook.com. That's your playground. Once you log in over there, go to all tools. You see these hamburger lines. You click on the hamburger lines and you search event. Okay, and you will see something called events manager. Okay, now click on that. It will open up a new page. Okay, let me show you the events manager page. This is the events manager page. Okay, and in the events manager page, by default you will land here, where it will first tell you what is your profile ID, business portfolio ID, and don't worry about it. You just have to think of the pixel ID and pixel name. So my dear friends, this is there are two pixels that are here right now, but I'm going for the first pixel right now. You can have multiple pixels in one business portfolio. Okay, so let's say this is my pixel. So you went to event manager. Okay, and in events manager you will see the pixel ID. This is the pixel ID. You want to make a copy of that. Okay, open a Google Doc and just you know write the pixel ID number. Okay, there you go. This is my pixel ID number. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll then go to the data sources. You see this triangle over here on the left hand side. I'll go there. Okay, and then I'll scroll down. I'll just see this in this page. I'll just scroll down and I will see something called add events. Okay, so I click on add events. I'll click on the three options. I'll go for from a new website. Okay, I'll click on from a new website. Once you click there, you will see this pop up. Okay, I hope you are able to see the pop up. Yes. Okay, once you see the pop up, you click on install code manually. Okay, when you click there, you will reach here. Click on the second option, install base code. Okay, click there. Okay, copy the code, copy the base code. Okay, the code is already written for you. You just have to copy it, again paste it in the Google Doc. Okay, I have already pasted it. Okay, now what you do is you go back to events manager. Okay, you click on continue. Okay, don't worry about advanced matching, click on continue. Okay, now you click on open event setup tool. Okay, but before you open that, before you open that, what is your website? You got the code, right? You got the code. This is your code. Now let's say I told you I will talk about four places. So let's say you have a TagMango page. Okay, let's say you have a TagMango page. All right, so this is one of my TagMango pages. Okay, I'm going to edit the TagMango page. Okay, click on edit. Okay, I'll go to payment details in the TagMango page, and I'll go to advanced setting, and here there is an option to add Facebook Pixel ID. So I will toggle it on, and I will paste the Pixel ID which I had noted previously in my Word document. Okay, so I'll simply paste the pixel over here. Okay, now that's not it, because people, so this is a 99 rupees class. Okay, I'm doing it for a 99 rupees class. So when there is a 99 rupees class or there is a payment involved, if it's a free webinar, then you have to install a lead pixel. If it is a uh, paid webinar, then you should install a purchase pixel. So how to do that? Okay, so first you install, you let TagMango know about this ID. Okay, then you go to payment success page. This is like thank you page, and over there you click on add custom script. Okay, you toggle add custom script. Now go back to your code. Okay, now the code which you had written all the way from these parentheses, you see this triangular parenthesis, you start from there, copy the entire code and paste again below it. Okay, now what is happening is this is your page view pixel. Okay, so remember I had explained in the beginning of the session the three basic events that you can track. Number one, every time somebody comes to your website, a page view event will be tracked, and every time somebody gives data, like becomes your lead, a lead pixel can be tracked. Okay, so you just have to come back to the code and you just have to change page view to lead. That's it, you just have to do that. Now again copy this. Okay, and paste below in the Word document and change lead to purchase, purchase, purchase. So this pixel, okay, this pixel all the way from here metapixel code to the end of metapixel code, you see it is written end metapixel code. So all the way from beginning to the end, you just have to copy it. This is a lead pixel, and if it is a free webinar, you paste it in TagMango page. But in my case, in my example, it's a paid webinar, so 99 rupees paid webinar. So what I'm going to do, in case of 99 rupees or 199, 499, 699, whatever that you're selling using a website, in that website you copy and paste the purchase pixel. So you copy this purchase pixel. Okay, and you go back to the TagMango thank you page or payment success page, toggle add custom script and just paste it over here. Okay, remove all the extra spaces. Okay, I removed the extra spaces and now it is done. Just click on save. That's it.